Harambee! Harambee! DCP! Kwanza ni kushukuru Mola kwa ushindi ambao ametupatia leo. Haikuwa rahisi. Najua nitaenda huko nje kwa address wananchi wa Kalau. Allow me to use the Queen's language. First is to appreciate God. It's not been an easy ride. We started this journey after the demise of the sitting MP, David Kiaraho. We started this journey alongside my friend and my PA, Karori, my driver, Moas, and a borrowed car from my cousin. So it was a humble beginning. To start with, we had no funds. But one thing I'll tell you guys is that I've received enormous love and contribution, especially from people that we are with in DCP. 2022, I faced Honorable Kiaraho. I lost. Kasongo lied to me that he'll give me a job. I waited for more than a year waiting. He's a liar. Kasongo ni muongo, si muongo. Rigathi was kind enough. His Excellency, the People's Deputy President, gave me a job as a political advisor. A job that I served for 8 months. Before you were hounded out unceremoniously. When the party DCP was formed, I was given the honor to serve as the coordinator of Nyandarua, working under Hezron, my boss. This is my deputy party leader. Wanaweza waambia mimi kijana mnyenyekevu, baya ajibizani, akiambiwa ni hivi, me I told the line. Lakini Kasongo, nikifika pande ya Kasongo na muonesha ni one term. I'm very strict when it comes to that side. So I've seen so many faces that we served with in Mbeere, or not served, that went to the by-election in Mbeere. Wengi wenu tulikuwa na nyinyi Mbeere. Na tulichapa Mbeere, lakini mambo haikuenda sabamba. And I want to assure you, from the bottom of my heart, and give you this assurance that I will deliver the seat of Ol Kalou on a DCP ticket. Tutaonesha kwamba sisi watoto wa mlima tushatoka huko kwa UDA, sasa sisi ni watu wa DCP. DCP will be the first. Kuna watu wanasema huko nje, shimo la UDA limetengenezwa wapi? Ol Kalou. UDA ilipata mtoto alikuwa anaitwa Muraya by election. Nimemwona mahali hapa, he is here. An MCA was elected, first MCA elected on UDA ticket. Sasa tunabari hiyo chama na sasa tunafufua chama ya DCP. I urge all of you, first as to thank my opponents. These are my other opponents. These are brothers that I've shared the assembly with. You did well. Winners are losers who never quit. Don't quit, lakini mgoje nisukume miaka 15 hivi afu mkunje sasa. I also see friends that we shared with, former MCAs. I see Kimani Jiraine, I see Dirango, I see Muraya. Keep the hope up. Nimeona hata when I was socializing, I met so many former MCAs that were acting as POs. Leo unaitwa former, kesho utaitwa sitting. Never lose hope. Mistaki kunena mengi. Nataka kushukuru elections board. At first I had shivers, but I want to guarantee you that it was free and fair. And I want to reiterate this. Initially I was one who believed that we should have gone for consensus, because I thought in my heart that I was leading. And it has been assured today, I was even giving myself a 50% lead. But today I've seen that I've led with almost 60%, which is no mean feat. But the party leader said we have to go the nomination way, so that everyone is given a chance at the ballot. And I believe all my brothers have been given a chance at the ballot. And I urge them, come, I've heard your visions as we went round the constituency. I will work with you. We will walk this journey together. Correct me when needed. Work with me when needed. Because this was not a fight, it was just a competition for the best candidate to win. To all of you, I am so happy the way you've conducted the elections. I entered most of the polling stations in the morning. Most of the people were there at the crack of dawn. And as the SG on the deputy party leader said, IEBC should borrow a leaf from DCP. Umefanya vyema, na hiyo ndio mimi nasema Mungu awabariki, na chenye mnatamani, najua wengi wenu ni aspirants 2027. Naomba Mungu amfungulie njia, lakini kabla 2027 mje hapo Olkalau, tufukuze Kasongo, tupige yeye, tumwambie ni one time, tufukuze mwizi. Huku tunamuita Kang'ei, ni King'ei. Hatumuiti Kang'ei juu ni kikubwa, ni King'ei. Mungu awabariki. This is my wife. Anaitwa Doris. Alikuwa fuata social media, alikuwa anaambua kama walifukuza bibi. Alikuwa afikia ni jamaa rafiki yangu alikuwa afanya hiyo maneno hapo. I have a lovely wife, 15 years in marriage. But that is nature of politics, because most of you are politicians. So I never carried any grudge. It was just a competition that was worthwhile. So this seat is not my seat. It is for the people of Olkalau. I'm holding in custody for them and in trust for them. Even when I get into parliament, mimi nitawaambia, especially hao wabunge wa Mlima Kenya, the first maiden speech, I will tell them mene tekel upasi. The writing is on the wall. Their time is done. Mungu awabariki na mtende mema.